Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hi, my name is Zed, and I am 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Amna, and I am 17 years old.
Hi, my name is Ali, and I am 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Fatima, and I am 17 years old.
Man, every time I open my feed, I see people arguing. This scholar said this. That speaker said that. My sect is better. It's confusing, bro. Who do you even listen to?
Welcome to the never-ending religious debates on social media.
It's not just online. Even in family gatherings, debates everywhere. Everyone has their own version of Islam. That's because many people forget who we're supposed to take religion from.
Okay, Fatima. You always have the wisdom. Tell us, how do we make sense of all this?
The answer lies in one word: Wilayat.
Wilayat? Like leadership?
Exactly, but not leadership chosen by popularity or politics. Leadership appointed by Allah Himself.
And the best way to understand it? The event of Ghadir. Imagine this. The Prophet is returning from his final Hajj. Over 100,000 companions are with him. Suddenly, at Ghadir Khumm, in the blazing sun, he stops everyone.
A platform is made, the Prophet climbs. He raises Imam Ali's hand high and announces loudly,
"Whoever I am the Mawla of, Ali is his Mawla."
And right after that, this verse was revealed.
"Today I have perfected your religion for you."
So that was like the official handover.
Exactly. Allah didn't leave leadership to personal opinion. He chose Imam Ali as the first in the chain of Imams, the Wilayat of Ahlulbayt.
Because religion isn't just rules, it's guidance for every era. And for that, you need divinely appointed leaders.
Without Wilayat, truth gets diluted. Wilayat keeps the message crystal clear, generation after generation.
But today we have so many scholars, sects, debates. Isn't that enough?
Knowledge is great, but without Wilayat as your foundation, knowledge can easily get twisted.
It's like building a house without a strong foundation. Eventually, it collapses.
Wilayat protects us from being lost in opinions. It connects us directly to the pure light of the Prophet's true teachings.
That's why we celebrate Eid Ghadir, right?
Yes, Ghadir isn't just a historical moment. It's a living legacy. It's the day Allah perfected His religion and completed His favor.
We celebrate by exchanging gifts, feeding others, spreading happiness, but most importantly, renewing our allegiance to Wilayat.
Look around. The world is filled with injustice, wars, lies, confusion. That's what happens when people abandon true leadership. Wilayat is not just history. It's our light in this modern darkness.
It teaches us to stand for justice, truth, and humanity, just like Imam Ali and the Imams after him.
But the chain of Wilayat didn't stop with Ghadir. Right now, we are under the leadership of Imam Mahdi, even though he is in occultation. And every time we celebrate Ghadir, we're actually preparing our hearts for his arrival.
So Wilayat isn't just the past, it's our present, and it holds the key to the future.